How to fix? Please contact iTunes support to complete this transition on iPhone. So if you want to fix, please contact iTunes support to complete this transition on your iPhone. Then first you need to go with your Safari browser, and on your browser you need to search for support.apple.com. After that it will take you to this kind of interface. So from here you just need simply scroll down and first select your device. In my case I am using iPhone. And from here you need to scroll down again, and here you need to tap on my support, or just scroll all the way down, and here you will have search for more topics. You will get this kind of interface, and here you will have get support. So tap on start now, scroll down and then tap on more section, or you can also search for iTunes store. Here you need to scroll down and then find your iTunes store. I found iTunes store right here. Tap on it, and here you need to again select what's happening, and here select any option. After selecting your option, here on the right side you will have call, and on the left side you will have message option under the contact, right? So you can simply tap on call, and you can start customer care support call with your Apple, or you can also go with your messages. You can also chat with them. So that's how you can fix your iTunes support problem. Contact your iTunes support to complete this transition on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.